Hello children, in the unit 10th oscillation, we have the next topic, that is simple pendulum. This is a metal bob attached with inextensible string. This is inextensible string of length L and whose one end is fixed from this point. This is called point of suspension. Now first we have to prove that motion of the simple pendulum is simple harmonic motion, and then we have to find the time period of oscillation of the simple pendulum. Let the simple pendulum is slightly displaced from the main position at this point. Let angle theta is angular displacement. Weight mg is acting downward. This is angle theta. Now we can resolve mg into two parts. First is mg cos theta and second is mg sin theta. This is capital T. This capital T is known as tension. So capital T is tension. Theta is angular displacement. L is length of simple pendulum. M is mass. Let x is displacement. Resolve mg into two component. First mg cos theta, second mg sin theta. Here tension, balance, mg cos theta, and mg sin theta is towards mean position, and we know towards mean position is only restoring force, So we can say that restoring force F is equal to minus mg sin theta. Now we can apply the relation sin theta is equal to theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta की power 5 by factorial 5 minus and so on. If angle is small, therefore this sin theta is equal to theta. So in the equation number first, we can write here F is equal to minus mg into theta. Here theta angle is arc upon radius. Arc is x, radius is L. So we can write F is equal to minus mg. Theta is x by L, equation number second. Let small a is acceleration produced according to Newton's cycle of motion. F is equal to ma, equation number third. Now we can compare second and third. So we can write here ma is equal to minus mg into theta, this is x by L, m will be cancelled, a is equal to minus g by L into x. Here g by L is constant. Therefore, we can write a directly proportional to minus x. Here acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Negative sign shows their direction is opposite. So this is simple harmonic motion. Or we can calculate mod A is equal to g by L into x. Now relation for time period. T is equal to 2 pi under root displacement upon mod A. 2 pi displacement is x, this is gx by L. So we can write T is equal to 2 pi under root L by g. So from this relation we can find time period directly proportional to the length, and time period is inversely proportional to the acceleration due to gravity.